Check it out, guys. We got a nice little storm here. Giant freaking droplets of rain and thunder everywhere. Holy crap. I'm out here wearing a hoodie. This is probably going to destroy my freaking phone, but these droplets of rain are huge. I missed it earlier. We were getting hail, but not anymore. Now it kind of calmed down. Whoa, I really hope I caught that. The storm is getting closer, clearly. Probably shouldn't be out here, but you know what? I want to get a video of this. Using the ghetto camera rig. Seeing what it can stand up to. Look, the ground is steaming. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but it's definitely steaming. I'm going to actually go up here. It's starting to rain really hard again. Oh, here's some more hail. You can kind of see it there. It's kind of rain-hail mix. There's more rain. There it is. Woo! I'm glad I grabbed the camera and got out here. This is hail, guys. It looks like freaking snow, but it's not. You can probably barely hear me over this right now. Look at it just going off that house over there. I hope this turns into like well, I don't really hope, but it would be interesting if this turned into another tornado warning. I haven't had a video of that since 2014. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We're probably not going to need to water tonight. I'd go out there, but I don't want this camera rig to get broken, because it's kind of the only thing I have to film with right now. Is there... Alright, there's no water on the lens, but guys, this is what's happening right now. We got some thunder. There, look at this. And this was just all of a sudden, like 10 minutes ago, it was sunny. This is Colorado weather. And look, see, it's calming down now. Still got some lightning, but other than that, it's calmed down. Whew. Look at that. This one isn't getting as much water as those two. What are you doing?
The gutters are plugged up.
Oh, really? Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, we're getting water on the lens.